Why are you stealing? Not where you wanted to be. It's not because you're stupid. It's not because you don't have talent. It's not because you don't have opportunities. It is because of one thing, laziness, and today that ends. First, let us be honest. You're not lazy, you're not easy, distracted, motivated, afraid, or overwhelmed. Laziness is usually fear in disguise, fear of failure, fear of hard work, fear of being uncomfortable. Your brain always wants comfort. Scrolling feels easier than studying. Sleeping feels easier than workout. Watch video feels easier than build your dreams. But easy not means hard later. Hard now means easy later. Choose your head. This is important. Motivation really. Someday you feel powerful, someday you feel tired. If you only walk when you feel like it, you will never success. Successful people do not wait for motivation, they move faster. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. So next time you don't feel like doing something, count 5, 4, 3, 1, 2 and move. Stand up, start do something small. Momentum kills laziness. The biggest mistake people make, they try to change everything in one day. Wake up at 5 a.m. Wake out 2 hours, study 5 hours, eat perfectly. Then after 3 days, to quit. Instead, start small. What to excess? Start with 10 minutes. Okay? Want to start it 1 minute. Want to build a business? Walk 1 hour daily. Small daily action is more powerful than big random effort. Constancy beats intensity every time. Let us be real. Your phone is stealing your future. Social media is designed to keep you distracted. If you want to stop lazy, put your phone away. Turn off notification. Create a clear workspace. Set a timer for focus work. Even 30 minutes of deep focus can change your day. Protect your time like it is morning, because it is. At the end of the real solution is discipline. Discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't fail. Like doing, feel lazy, walk anyway. Feel tired, try anyway. Feel scared, move anyway. Each time you act, despite feeling lazy, you grow strong, and lazy grows weaker. Imagine 6 months from now. If you stop being lazy today, your body changes, your money changes, your mindset changes, your life changes. But if you continue waiting, nothing changes. The choice is yours, not tomorrow, today, right now. If you're serious about take action, comment below. No more lazy.
If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, comment. What will you level up this week? Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep leveling up your life.